You'll need a foam roller. We're gonna foam roll our lats. So if you need, you can use a pillow to put on this side because you're going to be laying with your side down onto the roller. And if it hurts your arm or anything to kind of brace yourself up this way, then just relax. You can probably put another pillow and have two pillows there, so then you can just relax while you're rolling back and forth. Otherwise, bring your arm up this way, and what you're gonna do is lean onto the foam roller, and I like to hold my head, otherwise my neck gets strained, so I prefer to do this. Then what you want to do is just roll back and forth, and you're probably going to lump over some things, but nice and slow and controlled. Make sure you're breathing in and out. If you don't feel any sore spots there, then you can move up. So always start from the bottom and move your way up, and then roll back and forth. If you do find a tender spot, what you're gonna do is get onto the tender spot and then breathe in. Diaphragmatic breathing. Hold for 2 seconds and release all the way out. And keep doing those breaths until that pain subsides a little bit or goes away. Then you can move on to another spot. You're going to be getting all the way up into just underneath the armpit. So it's almost where your arm and your armpit meet, so it'll be right in that spot there. And same thing, just roll back and forth. You want to relax into this and be super chill.